guys, so I'll teach you on how to create Gmail ad. So sign to Google, sign up, and then of course here start typing your name, your first name. So this is only an example. Okay, then your last name, and there's always given option from Google, so it's up to you if you wanna try that one. So I'll just leave like that. And then your password, you have to think about password. Yeah, you can share to your friend that you can trust. So I'll just show you the password. Supposed to be, I have to hide it, but it's okay. It's only sample. Then right there, my number. Okay, this is only an example, guys. Actually, Micronesia no monetization. Since I'm Filipino, so there's monetization in Philippines. Right, so agree, just agree, guys, to given announcement. Then click that one. I have now the okay, I have to click that picture right there. Alright, select a photo from the computer. I don't have here, but don't worry, guys, I want to teach you on how to okay, since you don't have, or I don't have picture here, then I have to go back to don't worry, go back to Google and then type free flower photo. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I like this one. Right, so you can copy that, you paste it. Oh, it's hard, right? So I have hard time to copy this using that. So go back there, you'll use print screen. You can use print screen, guys, so fast. Okay, and go back there, save it, then format, crop. Okay, crop. Alright, then after that, spread a little bit, then save as picture. And this is Google photo. Then go back there, then click that, then the photo from my Google, right, spread. Now here we go, I have now my profile photo. Okay, so I have now the Gmail account, Google account. Alright, then now I want to teach you on how to proceed right away to YouTube, because some of you wants to also have a YouTube channel. Okay, create an account. Okay, YouTube account. Here we go. Get started with your Google account. Here we go. Then type youtube.com. After that, here we go. So you have the picture, then create a channel. Okay, create channel. Then you can change it to what you want. It's up to you what content they want to type here. I'll just type here tutorial text. Alright, so this channel, my channel is all about tutorial text. Now I wanna apply picture here or photo. Alright, so just click that, earn something. Oh, okay, it's the studio. Oh, alright, click that again. To channel, then to home. Totally, guys. After this one, studio, then find customization. Okay, customization. Alright, so you can click here, branding, or personalization. Okay, so the picture, home, videos. Alright, so you can change that branding picture, or yeah, you can change that anytime you want. Change the photo and then save it, publish. Okay, so you have now the Google account. At the same time, you have now the YouTube channel. Alright, here we go. Okay, you can, okay, that's how to upload. Okay, then of course always not for kids, then public. Alright, so when you look at the content, already there. Now here we go. Now thumbnail, you have to apply thumbnail, but if you're not verified, then you cannot apply thumbnail. So now you have to verify first. Click the thumbnail, then here we go, your cell phone number, and then let's check our phone if it's already if the code is already sent there. Let's check. Okay, patient guys. Okay, here we go. Okay, I have now the code from alright, so let's type 6-digit number. Okay, here we go, 2745 93. Okay, then some. Okay, we're now verified, phone number verified. Congratulations. Now anytime you click, don't worry about that, just see it's now okay, and are not eligible. Let's check. Alright, so here you go. You can change photo, you can apply thumbnail. Okay, just go to YouTube Studio. Now let's check if your channel is eligible. Alright, just go to monetization. See, says there not eligible. So let's edit this, apply Philippines. Right, I'm sure that Micronation now it's not no monetization Micronation. Alright, and now you can start to comply the requirement of YouTube. Again, thank you, and please subscribe my channel, Adventure Style. See you next time.